Here we go, everybody. This is my entry for March Madness or March Slot Tournament 2015. We're playing Heartthrob, and I am playing against Bill, McGlaven Slot Gossip. So please make sure that you check his video to see who actually wins. We're doing pennies, and we're doing max bet $5. Let's see how we do. This is the third year for March Madness. I'm super excited, and I've actually never won. 40 bucks. So if we don't get a bonus, a line hit is the one that wins it. And the bonus here could be the hard feature, or it can be the free games feature. So far my best hit has been $40. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Here we go, here we go, here we go, come on. Oh, those are the progressives. Even that major is nice. Those hearts are just not coming. Oh. $100 to go to get a hard feature. Oh, you're mean. Don't be mean. We're talking about hearts. It's Heartthrob. This is the last video of the week for March Madness, and next week begins round 2. Do it, yes. Those are some big numbers. I'm happy about that. Come on, minor. There we go, another mini. Well, the first mini. That minor was almost right there. Come on, land it. Land. Oh. Last time. Land. Oh. Well, $90. I wonder if Bill can beat that. Come on, I'm gonna try to go for a second one because I'm sure this game can do something a little better. Do it! Oh. A $90 bonus is okay, but come on, you can do better than that. Oh, those moons, baby, those moons. The first year I competed in March Madness, I played against his brother, Slot Titan, and I lost miserably. Security caught me. Ooh, damn it. Premature, as usual. Do it. Oh. Do it one more. Oh. Can we get those moons? Come on, moons. Oh. Well, that's cute. 18 bucks. Still have 79 to go. Max bet $5. Come on, moons. That is such a blocker move. It's not even funny. Halfway there. Look at that. 250, 75, 50. I just needed 2 more. That would have been a winner for sure. I would have left with a profit. I usually don't play this lightning link games, but ooh, naughty. My neighbor's having a good run. $24 left. Oh well. Almost 3 spins to go. Come on. Last spin. See, we should have played that earlier. What is this? Well, that was my submission, a $90 bonus for March Madness. Thank you guys for watching. Windy City Fancy!
In the house!
It's March Madness 2018!
We are at Navy Pier in Chicago.
Ooh, look at that Michigan Lake behind us!
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Who are we up against? CT Slaughters?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're big fans of the CT
yes,
Slaughters.
we are, but this is a competition.
Hi, Felicia. Right, Ken?
It's that time of year again. It's March Madness, and you know what they say. Third time's a charm.
We're gonna blow away the competition this year, and we're starting with you, Windy City Frenzy.
Yeah, you're going down.
CT Slaughters, we're gonna win it, we're gonna take it all, and we're gonna bring that championship to the East.
Woo!
Later.
See that, Brent? That's the time you got left for your crushing defeat in March Madness 2018. This is a big payback, everybody, and Brent, you're going down. No doubt about it. What do you think, Smokey? Is Brent going down? Of course he is. Soon, Brent, soon.
Hey everybody, this is Brent from Brent's Lucky Slot Channel, and I am playing in round 1 of March Madness against an opponent by the name of the Big Payback. Now, if anybody knows anything about size, it's a size queen.
Hey everyone, Dr. Nick Slot Hits here, just getting ready for 2018 March Madness. I'm ready for redemption this year. Erica Slot World better bring it on, because the doctor is discharging everyone this year.
Hello everyone, Erica Slot World here. I play at Choctaw Casino in Oklahoma, where the Buffaloes roam. Come on, Dr. Nick Slot Hits, because I'm bringing this win home.
Hello everybody, welcome to March Madness. FG Slot Videos here representing Cleveland, Ohio for the East Coast in March Madness. Now people who live here in Cleveland, we have a saying that it's Cleveland against the world. So Casino Man in New Jersey, the rest of the East Coast, y'all are going down.
Hello everyone, it's Casino Man New Jersey. I am participating in March Madness 2018. My competitor is FG Slot. The slot that is chosen for us is Walking Dead 2. You know, they say a new broom sweeps well, but an old broom always gets up the dust. Watch out, I'm coming for you.
Technically born in Toronto, eh? I'm the best in the West and we make a great team. Not to be rude, you're going down, hashtag mean. I'm coming after Curry with some locket link. If I don't win, come join me for a drink.
How you doing everybody? My name is Charles for Payline Slot Channel. I have been working overtime in the Slot Museum for March Madness because I know that East Coast is going down to the basement. So let's go ahead and leave the Slot Museum and head on over to the casino.
March Madness, 2 Eagles fans, 1 slot machine. Slot Traveler, going down, brother.
From the Valley of the Sun, this is Slot Traveler. I am so ready for March Madness 2018. Hopefully this time I can win. Bill, get ready. Only one brother can top me.
Diana Ivani, you might be the Queen of Vegas, girl, but we're slotting around.
Hey, Ivani, you wanted some of this? Well, you and the East Coast are gonna get some. Let's go, let's go!
Y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo, pa-pa. Y el boom, 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 boom. Y el boom, 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 boom. Y el boom, 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 boom.
violets are blue. I'm the queen of nice, but not to you. So take a deep breath and don't make a sound, because I'm going to open up a can of whoop ass I'm slotting around. Ooh, peanuts. East Coast bitches, it's on.
Good luck, enjoy, have fun, and kick the West Coast asses. East Coast in the house. Bye, guys. Boop, 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 boop.